What's good, YouTube? It's Kingston.
And Kay.
And we are back with another banging video.
Alright, so I'm a mom. And before buying things, sometimes I like to try them to see what they taste like. And we are coming to you with this video to share our reviews. I know that your taste buds are different from mine. Mine are different from his. But we want to share with you our review on certain snacks. So get ready for this snack attack review. All right. We have candy popcorn. You have the Snickers, Twix,
and M&M
flavor. Okay. We also have hot wings chips. We have Cheez-Its and a few other surprises up our sleeves. Which one you gonna try first? We gotta try the same one now.
Then I'm gonna try these.
Twix, okay. Let's go ahead and try the Twix. I may not like them, so I don't want to open both.
Should have opened them up.
It's okay. Really? Pour them on it. I don't know where those hands have been. Alright. I'm just gonna eat some off the paper towel. You are too?
Yeah.
Okay. First of all, it's pre-popped, so it doesn't give you like that fresh pop flavor. But I do like the chocolate.
It just tastes like regular popcorn, and they just add some chocolate.
A splash of chocolate.
Right.
The chocolate doesn't actually taste like Twix. I don't get a flavor of Twix when I'm tasting it. And like Kingston said, it just tastes like popcorn with a splash of chocolate on it. It's pretty good for a snack, but I don't taste any Twix in there. What about you?
It'd be better if they like made it covered in it.
Yeah, dipped it in there.
Yeah.
Seems like they kind of just spread it on there a little bit. But
Cause look at these. No.
yeah,
no
I'm looking for the ones that have the chocolate, and you can see that it does have some of the caramel and the chocolate, but you don't even taste the caramel. I basically taste just the chocolate.
Right.
Okay, so it's an okay snack.
1 out of 10.
That's 1 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 5.5.
Okay, all right.
The half for effort.
Whatever. All right, so let's try this one next. Snickers. Now this should not disappoint. All right. All right, let's get another paper towel, napkin. So you see this little line right here? Yeah, you just pull that down and bring it over to the side a little bit. And you don't tear the entire bag, okay? Voila. So, they look the same.
Right.
Okay, so they actually look very similar. Did you taste it yet?
Do a comparison.
I mean, they actually look quite similar. This is the Snickers. And here we have the Twix. So they look pretty similar. Uh-oh. Pretty good?
I mean,
Okay.
it's more flavor than the Twix for sure.
Way more flavor. And
it still needs more chocolate though.
do you get a taste of Snicker though?
It's like,
Somewhat.
yeah.
A hint.
It's like older Snickers. I don't know. It doesn't taste like the Snicker you'll just go to the store.
Right. It doesn't taste like the actual Snicker candy bar. But it does have more flavor than the Twix. This one has a little bit more flavor, than this one. Tastes just like chocolate only. But I do get a taste of something else with the Snicker.
They're not bad.
I see. And then what's this?
That's some peanut.
It's like a part of the Snickers, but still not enough to give you a pop of flavor.
Right.
So we've compared those two. What's the last one?
These.
Okay. Let me get another napkin. We don't want to cross-contaminate, even though they all taste the same.
Yeah.
Boy, that education is not going to waste. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, all right. So let's do another comparison then. All right, let me put a few more of these out. Something else that I noticed is we have lots of kernels and hard popcorn kernels and like little tiny pieces coming out. So you don't have a lot of large pieces like this, you know. So here we have the Twix. So there's the Twix. Okay, let me bring it back some. All right, that's Twix. This is, like I said, it looks the same, Snicker. And then what do we have right here?
M&M.
Right.
That's
So what was surprising is we have these little morsels of mini M&Ms. Cheerio. Way more flavor.
Way more flavor.
And that's because you actually have the candies attached. But I want to pour some more of these onto this paper towel or napkin. Now, what I can say is you're not going to get each one of these with a little morsel of candy. So there are lots of them that don't have the candy attached, but a lot of candy is coming out. So it looks like several pieces of the candies are in the bottom of the bag. Which means if I'm using this as a snack and I'm kind of doing this, then I may not get the little morsel of candy. And I can feel those in the very bottom of the bag. But who wants to, I mean, you're going to have to rip open the bag and maybe pour them in something, mix it up yourself. Is it good?
Oh, yeah.
Really? You think? Okay, I couldn't tell. All right, so we rated Twix. Did we rate Snickers? Nope. So what's your rating for this? You said scale of 1 to 10? I'm going to say I'll probably give it like a 6.5.
7.5.
What?
7.5.
All right, so what about these?
These right here. 8.5. They can have more flavor. You know what I'm saying? It's way more flavor than the other ones.
But that's if the candy is attached. If you get one like this without the candy attached, still a little bit more flavor, but it's just chocolate.
Yeah, you can still taste like the candy on there, but it's just not on there.
It's still, so that's the downside to it. I mean, if you like candy coated popcorn already prepared, if they sell this one by itself, I would definitely, that would be my first choice. This would be my second choice. And then Snickers, second choice. Twix would be my last choice because this tastes like chocolate.
But this is a quick on-the-go snack, though.
Right.
It's not bad.
It's not bad for like a grab and go. Now, I don't really like to buy popcorn like this that's already popped because, again, it's not stale, but it's not freshly popped. Now, we don't have one on here, but you know I love the white cheddar. White cheddar does not disappoint, but that's neither here nor there because we don't have any. I gotta get a little sip of water. Swallow that down.
My esophagus.
Esophagus. Your esophagus. All right. Moving right along. Now, this is just our opinion. Now, before we move on to the next, I like these. Not so much by themselves. Now, what I like to do, and we didn't do it, I like to actually pop a bag of popcorn, whatever brand you like, and I take these and I kind of cut them up a little bit, or you can just break them up with your hand. I put them in there and mix them in with the popcorn. Oh my gosh. You like it, right? Who put you on that? I did. It's like the best thing ever. So I have these trolleys. I like to get the Sour Bright crawlers, but we've tried the other brand as well. And like I said, I pop my bag of popcorn and I will just break these apart, pop it in there, shake it up real good. Love it. You get that sour taste along with that buttery popcorn taste. Another thing that I like to add to my popcorn is Cracker Jacks. To my popcorn that I pop, Cracker Jacks.
Yep. And popcorn and syrup. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
It explodes in your mouth.
Explodes? I don't really care for that. Now, I've never tried it, but he does eat popcorn with syrup. So I'll come home and I'm just like, did you eat pancakes today or something? And he's like, no, I ate it with popcorn. And that's like his go-to snack with popcorn. So there you have it. Moving on to the next. If you have not tried Ruffles Double Crunch Hot Wing Chips, you need to try them. They are delicious. The Double Crunch, they do not disappoint on that. Now, who put you on these? Do you remember? It wasn't me.
Nanny.
Yeah. Your grandmother put you on these, and they are really, really good. Can you eat a whole bag? Some people can. Yeah, I won't call any names, but some people can. So I have to buy a personal bag for him, and this is my bag, as you can see, that's still intact, and it will remain that way. Okay, moving on. Now, I love these right here. Okay. These are called fried pork skins from the South. Y'all be from the South. So, one day, I do like these. They're too hot. The heat that comes on. I'm sorry. I eat 3 of them, and I'll like drink almost the whole thing of water. Don't talk about me. So I have to eat these very slowly. Of course, young people. One day I decided to try one of these with one of these, and it was so good. So good. They're hot. But it's good. That is good. It's hot though. It's a little hot for me. Hot, but I keep eating. What do you think? Good, huh? I really like that.
Y'all missing out.
Excuse me.
It's not hot. I'm
It
just
is.
thirsty.
It's hot to me. But good. So, I have the sweet heat pork skin. Trying them with the Chester's Flamin' Hot Fries. I cannot eat these just by themselves.
She over here dying.
They're so hot. Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright. Now, lastly, we love Cheez-Its. And I was in the store and I saw buffalo wing. Okay, if you don't notice, we like buffalo wing flavored stuff. So I was like, we need to try these. Sometimes you get stuff that says buffalo wing flavored and it doesn't taste anything like it. So let's see. Oh, okay, you devoured all of that. Okay, this over here. There we go. Oh. Ooh. Well, you can see the flavor on them.
It's right here.
You can definitely see the flavor. I don't know if you can, but the flavor is on there.
It smells like buffalo.
Those are good. Those are so good.
Oh my gosh.
Like the cheddar flavor with whatever this seasoning is they put on there. That's good. That's really, really good. That's good. Wow. And I mean, you can look at them and like, it's like each one of them has that flavoring on there. Cheez-It, you did not disappoint.
Not at all.
Those are good. Wow. I could eat that with some buffalo dip. What about you?
I feel like that and that was gonna be good.
Try it. You let me know, because that's hot. These aren't really hot. They have this.
So I'm gonna try this.
All right. So you're going to combine that. Now, I tried one already. It's good. Good. So what happens from my perspective is this basically amps up the taste of the Cheez-It, which is already pretty flavorful. Yeah, I can't take it because it's too hot. And once I add this to it, it just makes it even more flavorful and brings out that heat aspect. I add some popcorn from mine too.
This cools it down right here.
Yep. Sweet and sour. Sweet and spicy. So my takeaway is for today, I give this #1. This is my #1 snack for today. Out of all the snacks that we have. The popcorn, candy pop, it's okay. Like I wouldn't buy, I saw like a big bag of it.
No.
I wouldn't spend my money on the big bag of it. And I went on and I poured all of this flavor, I poured all of that out. And as you can see, there are lots of candies, loose candies in there. So a lot of the candy has fallen off and it's actually at the bottom. All right, what's your #1 for today?
Cheese
This
and-
alone, or this with these? Combo. So Kingston's #1 takeaway for today: Cheez-Its, buffalo wing Cheez-Its with the flaming hot Chester's fries. It's good. For me, it's the heat aspect, and I can eat a little bit of it, but not a lot. I can't overdo it. All right. Thanks for watching. Happy snacking.
It's Kingston,
And Kay.
and we out.
Peace.